Everything big. Oh, you fancy, huh?
Let me see your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating on you with their friends. Girl, you got it.
I didn't even press anything.
Guess what this is, guys? Welcome back. It's me. Hi. Yeah, I'm the person. It's me. What?
I'm the problem.
No, I'm never the problem.
Are you sure?
Yes. So we're gonna unbox this.
Oh my gosh, Rod, I wonder what this is. It's $1 million.
It's $1 million. Looks this
Ready?
good.
3,
Go.
2, 1.
Don't mess my face.
What?
This is huge.
Is this Uggs?
Okay, take that out. Oh my goodness, this girl. We unboxing Atluxe Premium Comforter. I'm gonna sleep good tonight. Wait, question: do you guys wash your comforter or bed sheet before you use it, or do you just buy from the store and put it on your bed and sleep?
I wash it.
Let me know if you do. Whatever you do. I mean, I do both sometimes.
Me too.
You too, what? Alright, let's see.
Last time I got a new one, I don't think I washed it.
We need to take a picture first. We need to make a video.
Thumbnail.
Thumbnail.
Okay.
Alright, let's see. Oh my god.
This is like a hotel. It feels like a hotel.
I need a pillow this soft. What?
Why? Do you want to swap?
Oh, nope. Nope, I don't come sleep in my bed. Oh my god. This is...
Is there a pillowcase or is only comfort?
Oh my... Did you see the temperature control? It's so nice and cold and...
I know. I like cold.
I want to sleep already.
Okay, let's just take a little nap.
So this is a king size premium bamboo comforter, queen/king size, all season, hypoallergenic, soft, definitely, breathable and durable. Looks like it. Machine washable, luxury. Yes, it's given.
It's hotel.
White. So this is king size, and this is from Atluxe blanket.
It's
and
king and queen, so I can use it too.
No. Yeah, but I ordered king, so this is my bed, not yours. But anyway, guys, tomorrow morning I'm gonna tell you guys how well I slept. I'm not even gonna bother to wash this. I'm gonna use it like that.
And then
Or maybe I should keep this in my office.
no, that's too much.
No, it's not. It's too big. It's too,
Yeah, it's too big and it's too like heavy.
it's too luxurious. Oh my god. I mean, this is not even, I'm not trying to be exaggerating
It's
or
giving me
anything.
flashbacks.
It's
from
just,
hotel.
I know. Wait, I need to find out from Atluxe if they do have pillow, like a real pillow, because I've been looking for pillow
Like
for
memory foam.
10 years. Find the best pillow for me. So if you guys know any good pillow, tested and trusted, that makes you sleep good, like they'll tell pillows, if you guys know any, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, I'll pay any amount for that.
So you'll
And I
pay
need to check,
$5,000.
not really, but I need to check Atluxe and see if they have pillow, because this, oh my god, I could just even fold this up and use it as a pillow, because this is given.
I mean, yeah, but I don't really
anyway.
like how it's heavy. It's like heavy.
Oh, duh, that's how it's supposed to be. When you lay on the bed, it weighs your body down. Wow. And is it satin? Oh, what material is this? This is so good. You know what? I'm going to be the only one using this.
What?
Yeah, I don't want Ryan to come on the bed and eat chocolates on my bed, stain it. But yeah, this is it. Let me show you guys the texture.
Look at that.
I mean, guys, no joke about this. I mean, for real, Ruby, what is your best review of
I
this?
just like how it's like cold
Yeah. All weather, winter, summer.
and it's soft.
I just like the softness. I hope it doesn't get flat. Is that what it is? I don't think so, though. But anyway, yes, this is Atluxe. I'm gonna put the link below if you guys want to order. And I think they gave me a code for 10% or 20% off. I'm also gonna put that in the link below so that you guys can go check it out. Alright guys, that's the end of this video and see you guys next time.
I know a pillow.